What's up, everybody? Welcome to Red Square again. But I have to film the live format this GUM ice rink and also Yarmarka, which is like GUM Yarmarka, GUM market. We're gonna do a market walk, a Christmas walk. Christmas market has been opened, so I have to show you before I leave Moscow to another, my beloved town. Which one is it? Which is my most favorite city? Comment down below. You should know. Right, my friends, here we go. SPB, yes, St. Petersburg, guys. I'm going. It is correct, guys. Welcome, everybody. Let's do a little live from the center again, but like I said, guys, we are going into the Christmas market. I would love to have some shashlik, but I'm not sure will I, because everything is a bit expensive here. Actually, I think I bought some Russian, some ice hockey team clothing. Not sure. No, it was in St. Petersburg actually. It was St. Petersburg Christmas markets, which I will be filming in a bit. Not a bit, but tomorrow maybe. So this wasn't the market. This is the corner of the market. We're gonna go around and into the place. Let's just have a little glimpse of Tucker Carlson's hotel, the Four Seasons Hotel, right there, guys, behind this red towers. Tourists from all around. I read the news that 20 million tourists came to Russia despite this situation, so not sure. Is it true? But it's fine. 20 million. I think, guys, if everything works out, I might go into GUM. I might, or I might not. Let's see. The key thing is to now go inside this marketplace. I will be in this video as well soon to visit my girlfriend for New Year's. Can't wait to see Christmas market as well. Awesome. Is it Moscow or which one? St. Petersburg, yes. Note to yourself. There are many Christmas markets, but one quite big one, or yeah, quite big one, and entertaining one is on right next to Yeliseyev Brothers, the Sadovaya Street. Malaya Sadovaya Street, next to Yeliseyev Brothers corner, and it continues to Italianskaya Street. That's a very nice place. That's a good tip for a walk, by the way, for you guys. Yes, what else? There's a lot of events also, of course. Some Christmassy Palace Square, but it's not like a market over there because it's too important. And then there's some other places as well. Usually you can find these places just by walking around. You just walk around and you will see, you will find. But guys, if my eyes do not betray me, this is absurd. I'm a foreigner on Red Square showing you amazing stuff, and this is it. Are you serious? It's funny, actually. It's funny. Alright guys, can I enter? Did Maros is gonna be here later on. I remember this by heart, guys, because I've been here. We have to go all around. That's the entrance, actually, one of the entrances. We go there. That's where we're gonna go. And meanwhile, push like, subscribe, blah blah blah. Do this, do that. I think I might go into Boom as well. Might go into Boom, but I don't know. Will I do a live stream? I don't know what's the reasons. What's the benefits? Oh, that's not the entrance. All right, guys, here it is. Here we go. Let's see if I will be checked. This looks nice. Every time I see Red Square, it looks to be empty. What all do they do in Red Square, by the way? The people, well, during the winter time, people come here less, but during the summertime, this whole place, if there's some not events, this is full of people. Full of people. Listen, just look at my video from Red Square. I forgot which one, but anyways, so yeah. And now, for example, you can see it's Yarmarka. It's a Christmas market. Let's do a walk right here. Entrance is free, but you know, the ride costs 500, which is a lot. Well, a lot more than not in Moscow. Just found your channel. I will look. Yes, there's a lot of videos, and also I don't have description in this video, but all my videos have descriptions. And there's a map you can use on a browser, not on iPhone. It has to be a browser. On iPhone, it also has to be a browser. But anyway, there's a link. You can see all my videos, around 2,000 of them, with locations on the map. You can click the icon or the route, and you will pop up the whole video. So if you find something interesting, like Igor, has he filmed the Christ Savior Cathedral? Oh, there's a pathway that goes right next to it. I guess I will see it in a real live stream or a video that he made. That's the idea. Give it Rose, thank you. Guys, I'm gonna do evening stream today from somewhere else, enough of Red Square, but I needed to, this is the main reason I wanted to film this. I wanted to film this, hold up, can I do a wide angle? Sure I can. So yeah, I wanted to do this walk, guys. Oh, what is she on? She's eating strudel. I think this is strudel. Check it out. Man, guys, there's a shawarma right next to the left side of me, and it's an amazing, let me show you. It's just amazing smell right here. Oh my God. I wonder how much is it? I don't want to sound like a bum. I want to see the price without, you know, without asking for it. No prices. And let's see. Here it is. Oh, it's 1,000 rubles, guys. And 1,200. It's a lot, guys. It's a restaurant price in St. Petersburg. Not in Moscow, I understand. Guys, I'm gonna do this walk around here. Oh, chebureki, guys. But anyway, everything is so tasty looking, but I'm not sure do I want to actually pay overpriced price for it? Well, actually, I know I don't want to. Peripeci publike lakume. Oh, lakume, these are Turkish lakume. But I won't buy it here, guys. It's overpriced. Let's just walk. Let's just walk and enjoy the atmosphere. There's no music right now, but I think there's gonna be music in the future. This is like the first day or second day. is Father Christmas, no, Father Frost, and Snegurichka. That's his niece. You can take selfies and photos over here. Alright guys, here it is. Oh, check it out. What is this? There's some kind of an odd, futuristic shelkunchik. Look at St. Basil Cathedral. Here it is, guys. Red Square and Christmas Market. It has been opened. Here it is. All right, my friends. I need to warm up a little bit, so I will see you later on in like a couple hours, maybe from somewhere in Russia, not this center, somewhere else in the center. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, push like, and bye bye everybody. Thanks for watching. Moscow.